Hello guys, welcome to GOO Coding Academy. So as we learned the different programs, we learned how to compute some different multiplication and division. So in this video we're going to develop a simple project, the simple calculator, right? So we can use those operations together. So to develop this project, you can use if statement, you can use if it is a statement, or you can use switch case statement, right? So let us now use a switch case statement. As you know, first of all, we need to make variable declaration. Let us int x and y here. Then also we need to make a declaration of operator that we are going to use. Yes, now at this level we need to enter numbers and the operation, right? By using this out statement, enter numbers and operation. You can just use this and operation. Let us use this one, then new line like this, semicolon should be here. Then after this we need also to read them cin. We should enter first number, operation, and then second number, which is y, then semicolon like this. Then after this one, we can now start our switch statement, right? Switch, you know the syntax of switch operation. Then we open our switch and should end with default, which display the default message like this one, south invalid operation. Then also here new line like this one. Then here we need to expand or develop our switch case. We can just write case addition to mean that when once we enter add, what will happen in that case we display sum, right? South x plus y, then semicolon, and then we should also here put here break as syntax of switch case. Yeah, right? So this is how we are going to develop our switch statement. Then also here case negative. Once we enter negative sign, in this case we will now display different south x minus y, this one, and also break. Then after here at case division, this one here we display now, we display division of two numbers, south of x divided by y. Then here also break, right? Like this one. Then here should be two dots instead of semicolon. You have to pay attention. Then here also we need also to compute multiplication. Let us put it here. Can just put it here. Case multiplication, this one. In this case, we will now south multiplication of two numbers to mean is x times y, like this, then semicolon, and then also break like this. Then as you see, finally if there is no true option, we will display invalid operation, right? So I hope you are seeing how this is structured. Let us make a compilation and run it to check whether there is some errors, and then to check for an output, right? So we need to come here and click on compilation. First of all, check for errors. Let us wait a little bit. You see there is no error, and then let us run it to check for an output. Yes. Here they are asking us to enter number and the operation. Let us first of all enter 5. Then here we should enter operation like addition. Then second number, let us put 10, and then click on enter. You see sum is 15 here, right? I hope you are seeing how it's displaying an output. Sum is now 15. But to make it very attractive, let us enhance this message by writing sum is, then this one like this. Also here multiplication is, but here we are doing with difference. Here you should write different is, different is, then different. Also here multiplication is, but in double quotation. Multiplication is, then multiplication. Then also here for division, you should write division is, then division of numbers, right? Hope is now clear. But here remember we should put here this operator also like this one. You need to pay attention. Yes guys, let us run our program to check for now advanced output, how now it looks like and how it works, right? So let us also make compilation. You see there is no error. Let us run it to check for an output. As you see, first of all we need to enter number and operation. Numbers and operation. Let us enter 5 plus 20. Then you see sum is 25, right? Then for subtraction, let us take 10 minus 5, and you see different is 5. Then for multiplication, let us take 5 times 10, and see an output multiplication is 15 now. For division, let us take 15 divided by just like a 2, and you see division is 25. So as you see, is working now properly as professional one and is simple to develop. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can become professional in coding programming languages. So if also you want this source code, let me know in the comment section. So thank you. Let us see in next video.